And the ripple effect of Punjab is being felt in Rajasthan. Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot's officer on special duty, Lokesh Sharma, submitted his resignation after a row over his Twitter post on Saturday. Lokesh Sharma offered his resignation to the Chief Minister. In his letter, Sharma wrote that political colour was being given to his Twitter post and it is being connected with the political developments in Punjab. The officer had written the tweet in Hindi that can be roughly translated as the strong are being made helpless and the insignificant are being strengthened. After Sharma's Twitter post, it was being speculated that Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot was probably unhappy with the political developments in Punjab, where sitting Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh had to submit his resignation on Saturday. In Congress-ruled Rajasthan, factions of Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot and his deputy Sachin Pilot had been involved in a political tussle earlier. My colleague Dev Ankur is now joining me live from Jaipur on this story. Dev, Lokesh Sharma, of course, saying that, political colour was being given to his tweet, which is why he's offered his resignation to the Chief Minister. But was it indeed linked to probably what the Chief Minister was thinking about the developments in Punjab?
Well, clearly what the OST claims is that there is political connotations that are being attached to his tweet. He maintains that his Twitter account mentions that all tweets are personal. He mentions that he does not tweet about political, stories or about political leaders, and he maintains that the tweet in question that was sent out on Saturday afternoon, that too did not have any names whatsoever. But, the readers into the entire thing, people who have been following Rajasthan politics for a long time, do know for a fact that knives were drawn out last year when Pilot and Gehlot had a very public political tussle and a fallout during which Gehlot called him Nakara, Nikamma, and there were several names that were called at that time. But since then, a lot of water has flown under the bridge. Pilot has maintained a studied silence, at least publicly, but there have been barbs that have been, made, jibes that have been made by both the sides, Pilot faction and Gehlot faction, and the developments in Punjab, in which the Captain Amrinder Singh had to vacate his CM's post, did seem to have, ruffled a few feathers in Rajasthan also, because there are several parallels in the politics of Rajasthan and Punjab. And it is being speculated that after the fallout in Punjab, similar things could happen in Rajasthan also. And that is how, the entire thing played out. And that is why it is believed that there was a certain amount of consternation amongst people at the higher levels in the Congress High Command, and that is why this submission of resignation has happened. Follow me?
Right. Dev, thank you so much for bringing us up to all of those, up to speed with all of those developments in Rajasthan. Thank you.